Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because we got a alarm message from the Microsoft for the Windows 10 that your Windows 10 will be expired or end of life will be in the next 10 days. So you have only 10 days in order to take this step. You have to enroll your Windows 10 ESU Windows 10 into the ESU program, extended security update program into the Microsoft. You have to enroll your Windows 10, otherwise you will not get any quality fixes or security updates and your system is vulnerable in front of the hackers. So this video is going to be very important. Take the immediate step. You can enroll your Windows 10 absolutely free into the Microsoft program for the till the next year. If you are the lover of Windows 10, or if you want to keep Windows 10 in your laptop, then you have to follow this video properly. So let's start. So first of all, you can see that we have a Windows 10 machine, and Windows 10, you can see that our Windows 10 is up to date. So first step is very mandatory, that you have to click onto the check update and you have to find out if there is any update is pending. You have to update your Windows 10. No update should be pending. So you have to, first of all, the first step is very simple, that you have to make sure that your Windows 10 is up to date. Number one. So I have already up to date the Windows 10. I'm not going to click onto the check updates, but you have to click onto the check update and you have to make sure that your PC is Windows 10 updated. Once you make sure, you can see that we are going to enroll this PC onto the ESU program, and you will be able after that Windows security fixes and security updates till the next year. So your Windows life will be extended for the 1 year. So do it right now. 13 October is the last date and you will not be secure after that. So let's start the video. So once we enroll into the ESU program, extended security update program, then you will have here, then we will have a message here that you have successfully enrolled here. You can see that this Windows 10 is up to date. So I'm going to minimize this. Then you have to go onto the Chrome browser, then maximize it. Then you have to type one tool flyob, and we are going to enroll into the Microsoft ESU program over Windows 10 absolutely free. So do it right now. It is very important. So once you type onto the Chrome flyob, then you will have a GitHub link. Once you click onto the GitHub link, then scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it. Then you have to click onto the download flyob. Then you will have another page. Then you have to scroll down it. It is very lightweight software and it will be downloaded within the 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. So we have to download onto the latest version. So once it is downloaded, you can see that it has been downloaded. Now we have to come onto the folder, and then we have to right click on that and we have to extract here. Once it is extracted here, then we have to right click on that and run as administrator. Then you will have this protected window. No need to worry about that. It is absolutely safe. Just you have to click on to the more information and run anyway. Yes. Then you have to click onto the get Windows 10 11. Then you have to click onto the more options. Once you have the more options, you can see that we have an option of enroll ESU program, keep Windows 10 secure until 2026 October. So we have to click on that. Once we click on that, we will have a message. We have to click onto the yes. Then we have this pop-up window, and we will have a multiple options. So here we have to play a little trick. We have to apply one by one option. Maybe in my case option third will work, maybe in your case option second will work. So no need to worry about that. Apply one by one. So let's do that. So first of all, we have to go with the first option. Let's see. Yes. Now wait for the success message. Either it will show the success message or it will show the a very tiny success message and window will disappear. It means you are done. So enabling consumer ESU feature, you can see that it is going to be enable our feature, and the status is not supported. So let me close it. Let me try the second program. Then we have to click onto the second one, then yes, not supported. Now we have to click onto the third one. Let's check for the third one, local. And it is also not supported. Let's go for the fourth option. Let's try for the fourth option. Yes. And it has been successfully enrolled. Our Windows 10 has been successfully enrolled. Now what is the second step? You have to restart your PC in order to get updates, and after that you will see that your Windows will be enrolled, Windows 10 will be enrolled. So it is absolutely one of the finest method. Apply that. I'm going to restart this PC. I'm going to stop this video, and once it is up, and I will resume this video and will show you. So I'm going to restart this PC. Restart. I will be come back shortly. So system has been restarted. Now we are going to show the status. In order to find out the status, then you have to go inside the Windows Updater. Once you click onto the Windows Updater, then you can see that your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates. So your computer is now secure and it is under the support and supervision of Microsoft, and you will keep getting update till the next year 2026 October. So join this program right now, absolutely free. Don't waste your time. Every day, every second is precious, because 13 October is the last date. Please do it immediately. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe and use the always secure version of Windows 10 and 11. Thank you so much. Bye bye.